Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Neil Explains. Today I come with this tricky maths question, but we will solve it very simple way because we will find our right answer step by step. So here our question is parenthesis whole square 10 plus 2 into 3 divided by 4. So according to PEMDAS we will here write PEMDAS to understand parenthesis exponential multiplication division addition subtraction. So here we will do operation for this part. Okay, I will solve for this part, then we have to do square, then divided by 4. So here 10 divided by 2 times 3, that is 6. Right, it is. Now 10 plus 6, that is 16. Okay, now if we do like very long way, we will go for 16 into 16 divided by 4, like this. Okay, or we can write like 16 into 16 divided by 4. Both are the same, and as we know, multiplication 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. So 4 times 1 and 4. Here 4. Okay, so final our answer will be given by 16 into 4, that is 64. So here answer will be 64. And if you want to become a zero to hero in maths, go and check out our 13 books in the description and subscribe our channel and watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.